Hello tech lovers, today's video is on HS440 drone. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The Holy Stone HS440 drone is an ideal choice for people looking for a budget-friendly and reliable drone. It is a great performer and is a great choice for anyone who wants to begin flying or creating aerial videos. Furthermore, the HS440 is simple to use and is ideal for those who are new to flying. This particular drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is about 8.4 inches in length and 8.1 inches in width, 3.3 inches in height when it is expanded. And it is 8.31 inches by 6.65 inches by 3.31 inches when folded. It has got one unique and common design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. 1080 pixel HD auto-adjustable camera. It comes with 1080 pixel HD camera that is adjusted in 90 degrees using your remote control or application. The drone will provide you with an amazing view of the sky with its 140-degree wide-angle lens. It will help you capture every beautiful moment through a bird's-eye view. The Holy Stone HS440 is a drone that features a 3.7-volt 1,500 mAh lithium battery. This battery has been designed to meet the needs of drone enthusiasts and professionals, and is perfect for use in high graphics applications or when you need to fly longer distances. With this battery, you can fly your drone for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of energy. Now it is time to discuss various functions of Holy Stone HS440 drone. HS440 is carefully designed to optimize user experience with smart features. Because of the automatic takeoff system, with precise hovering and takeoff, the operation is smoother and more secure than ever. One key high-speed rotation will bring an extra thrill in the air. There are no limits with the sky or playground. A 360-degree laser obstacle avoiding system is the answer to your safety needs. This technology uses a three-dimensional mapping of an obstacle to help the drone fly past it safely and without risk of getting hurt. It can be used in other types of environments, such as warehouses and factories, to avoid dangerous obstacles and save lives. Holy Stone HS440 drone first-person view transmission in real time is the perfect device to take in the stunning images captured by the drone. It lets you experience the visual feast anytime and from anywhere. This technology can not only record and displays the stunning images captured by drones, however, it can also be used to perform live streaming. With the Holy Stone HS440 drone gravity sensor, you can utilize your phone to pilot it in the correct direction. The device comes with an accelerometer as well as a gyroscope which measure the movements of the drone, so that you're able to keep it under control when flying. Additionally, the sensor has an electronic compass to ensure that it can keep track of your position and the direction of flight. Imagine being able to capture amazing moments using the drone's gesture control that is easy to use. With Holy Stone HS440, you can perform any gesture you wanted to make with the drone, and your camera be able to follow, making it ideal for recording photos or video, which will be treasured even after your departure. With the Holy Stone HS440 drone, you can capture photos and videos effortlessly and at unbeatable speeds. The drone automatically hovers, saving your time by hovering decking over obstacles before landing on hovering platforms to save videos or photos onto your phone. You can get a maximum of 20 minutes flight time with just one modular battery. The bundle includes a storage box as well as 2 batteries, which can increase the duration of your flight to 40 minutes. Amazing. Additionally, the battery that is modular is simpler to set up and more secure to use. The HS440 drone is ideal for videography and aerial photography. Its dual-mode GPS optical flow, it can be used to fly in traditional mapping and photojournalism modes. When you are shooting landscapes or events in close range, the HS440 will provide you with stable footage with no any unwanted noise or shake. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are, HS440 is a great drone for those who are looking for a high-resolution image. It is very easy to fly and can be controlled with idly or a controller. The drone has an impressive range and can be used to take pictures and videos in various areas. It is also very easy to learn how to fly the HS440 and can be used by anyone who is interested in drones. The cons are, the HS440 only has an altitude of 100 feet, which may not be enough for some users. The drone can be quite noisy when flying, though this can be masked by using a microphone. The Holy Stone HS440 drones are an ideal choice for those searching for a simple-to-fly, high-flying, and easy-to-control drone that is able to handle every situation. With its incredible range and stability, the drone is great for photography and filming in all conditions. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.